Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarded from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there, so for telling the war go on for not to go on. You see me, so let's just kick it off with dancehall artist Flippa Mafia, because word in these courtrooms is that him broke and hungry and cannot hire a private attorney. You see me, I say, and that is why Tamika McCoy quit upon him. Yeah, his private attorney quit, and the judge seemed to see it and say him unfit, and them can't manage it, so them give him one legal aid. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Problem in the comment section, no, because it was just the other day when we were listening to him conversation with one of them girl, them saying that he want buy one lamb truck. You see me, I say, and you know that's over 200,000, 500,000 US, depending upon the kitchen I get, you know. So no, him can't even afford a lawyer. You see me, I say, but keep in mind, he's not fighting the state this time, he's fighting feds. And you know, when the feds come, them come with all of the evidence, you know, 98% conviction rate. So maybe him say, you know, why in your word for got trial, and I'm just gonna accept one plea deal and inform upon himself and whoever else him did I sell to him. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But I'm going to start giving a quick update while going for that to go on, because you know he appeared in court earlier today. But he was only in there for like 13 minutes, you see me? You know what I mean? And the council was able to remove herself from the case side. No time for some sad news. Me not gonna lie to you, my people. The individual that you see on the screen, him top up one 13-year-old, and the police them is looking for him. You see me, I say, oh, the story went, you know, his girl, the victim cousin, has a restraining order against him, and he's not supposed to be at the premises. So, you know, these guys, them disregard the laws and all of this stuff and end up at the woman yard. And that's when the 13-year-old said, you're not supposed to be here. And that's when him went on. And, you know, him tap on her stomach, you see me? So the people, them is asking for assistance. Because she need blood. You see me? I said, I can't press pause. I read, you know, what they had to say about the whole ordeal. But, yeah. Sad situation, you see me. But like I said, come on, Mitchell, the police, them is looking for you. So you better go turn yourself in. You know what I mean? And if it doesn't, well, community, jungle justice. Let's proceed. Now, the next sad story, you know, has to do with this individual that passed away upon their birthday in Jamaica. You see me, I say, and we're talking about the accountant that was brutally murdered during, you know, her birthday trip. And sent chilling pleas to her family before the death. And no, the NY Post is saying a New York accountant was brutally murdered hours into her Jamaican birthday vacation, as chilling messages to her family revealed the horrific danger she faced in her final moments, and her husband was named a person of interest. Melissa Carey, you know, Samart and whatever, died from blunt force trauma to the head, and at the Conwell Regional Hospital in St. James, Jamaica, on her 35th birthday. The Jamaican Constabulary Force announced on Facebook more details, and ting-a-ling-a-ling. Police have now launched a manhunt for the Big Apple accountant's husband, Dane Watson, who was identified as a person of interest. And I think he must have called these people and admitted to all of this stuff, you know. This man say, I don't know why them think Jamaica, them can come and do them nastiness and get away with it, you know. You know what I mean? Times have changed. You see me, I say, and I really hope the people, them family get justice. You see me? Anyway, people, don't forget to check out them next suggested video on the sip on the screen. You see me? And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.